this DIY project as I'm gonna transform the most basic, boring, and vintage purse that I happen to get from the Salvation Army or Goodwill several years ago. So this little girl is going to be transformed from shabby to completely glamorous. I actually have some wax paper down. Of course, you can use paper or whatnot. We, of course, will be using the Angelus paint right here. I have it in the color orange. Really, any color would work for this project. Of course, I have a paintbrush, the fabulous Fringe right here. I cannot wait, 6 inches. This comes in so many colors. And then I will be using my very favorite tool, the hot glue gun, to attach it all on here. The one thing I love about this paint is that it dries super quickly, so you can put multiple coats on in no time. Also, with this part, you really don't have to be super careful because it will be covered with fringe. So really, we're just transforming the background color. Also, what would be really, really fun is if you did, of course, have a different color as the background and then a different colored fringe, like maybe hot pink and then an orange. That could look really cool. But I decided to go like completely monochromatic with the color. So now we're just let this sit. It'll probably be around 10 minutes before we can do it again. Okay, so I did the front and back real easy, one coat. I'm gonna put one more coat on. And just like that, 2 very light coats. Of course, I could put more if I really wanted to, but just like this, it is really a transformation. I absolutely love this paint. Okay, so now for the fringe part right here. This is all personal preference on how long you want the fringe to be under the bag. I am most likely gonna have it a couple of inches just like this. And then also, I'm gonna leave just a little extra for it to just be glued this way inside the bag. I'm actually gonna start on the back of the bag just in case. We'll see what happens. And I'm just going to, of course, glue this in on the inside, but not too far in because I don't want to have any problems with it closing. So now I'm just going to glue this. And then here, I'm gonna cut it off right here. And there's the first piece, so great. I'm actually gonna go right above. I'm gonna follow it real tight so it's very fringy. Okay, so now I did the very last piece and it looks really great. And then I just realized on this side, what I'm gonna do is to kind of finish it, especially on this side, I'm just gonna wrap the fabric in the fringe down here and then probably cut it right there in the middle. And oh my gosh, I'm already so in love. I cannot wait to do the other side. Really cute too if you just wanted it on one side. Certainly it could be a one side fringe bag, but I am going all the way. Okay, so now for the last piece of fringe on the front, I'm first going to actually start it here just to cover this up, as you can see right here. And then I'm just gonna go all the way around. And for the reveal, oh my gosh, I am so in love with this little fun bag. I mean, I cannot believe what a transformation this girl is. I mean, chic, chic, chic. So start to finish, this project probably took an hour. Yes, you could let the paint dry for 24 hours, but really there was no need since I was going to be applying the fringe to it. But I am literally obsessed with this gorgeous bag. I absolutely love Fringe, and I'm probably gonna fringe a bunch of things now that I've done this. So let me know if any of you are actually fringers yourself and what you fringe, and actually if you did a purse like this, I would love to see what you did, the color combinations, and if you're gonna do this, I wanna see your projects, I wanna see how creative that you have gotten, so reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of your projects, your DIY, you being fabulous, or you doing a fabulous project that I need to know about. So I wanna thank you all for watching, and we will see you soon.